What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Edition, and the title of the video is Target Shoplifter Caught Red-Handed Stealing a Bag Full of Merchandise. All right, let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
With a plan and walked out in handcuffs.
That's 341 Kilo and ambulance for
PD. But like I said, like you guys are in trouble, like you guys might just get a slap on the wrist or a ticket, but you guys are not gonna be arrested, right? That's why it was alerted to them. Other than that, they're just gonna get your information and then that's it. And then you guys will be good to go. But other than that, like I said, you guys are not gonna be arrested. I can take care of everything. So they were caught basically shoving like a bunch of like clothing in a bag that they took from a guest, and then they tried to walk out.
Alright.
No, don't say that. Why are you saying that? No, we didn't walk out. So basically,
One at a time, so I can hear because you're both yelling. So let me get her side of the story.
so basically, I was looking for my cousin. My cousin walked out from
And
me.
is this your cousin?
Yes, my phone is dead. She has the money up on her Apple Pay. So I'm looking for her around the store. I see her downstairs right there by the escalator. I'm telling her to come pay for the stuff. I'm walking down. They say, come here. I come here. I'm applying with you guys. They say, yeah, you can't just walk past the thing. It's a policy where you just can't walk past the thing. I tell them I was looking for my cousin. My phone is there. I'm trying to pay for my merchandise. They say, well, we have a policy where you can't walk past the thing. I said, well, I'm sorry. I didn't know that. I didn't leave out the door. I'm applying with you guys. You guys are telling me come back because I didn't, I can't walk past the
You're
thing.
applying for a job?
No, I'm saying I'm applying, applying with you guys. So I turn back around, do what they say. I tell them, can I pay for my stuff?
Implying with you guys. What the fuck? What'd she say?
Or you just can't walk past the thing. I tell them I was looking for my cousin. My phone is there. I'm trying to pay for my merchandise. They say, well, we have a policy where you can't walk past the thing. I said, well, I'm sorry. I didn't know that. I didn't leave out the door. I'm applying with you guys. You guys are telling me come back because I didn't, I can't walk past the thing.
You're applying for a job?
No, I'm saying I'm applying, applying with you guys. So I turn back around, do what they say.
Hold on. If you don't, hold on now. Hold on. Listen. Y'all know I ain't the best reader. You feel me? Hey, there's some words that I'll be looking at it like this. Like, I don't know what's going on, you hear me? But if I don't know the word, then I don't know the word. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I'll be with the intro, hey, we got such and such, whatever. And then I'll be like, Pinsky, Plinsky. I don't even know that word. You know what I'm saying? I keep it 100. But she said this so confidently, like she know what she talking about. Complying. I'm complying with you guys. Not implying, not applying. What? Damn.
I tell them, can I pay? I'm sorry, I didn't know that. I didn't leave out the door. I'm applying with you guys. You guys are telling me come back because I didn't, I can't walk past the thing.
You're applying for a job?
No, I'm saying I'm applying, applying with you guys. So I turn back around, do what they say. I tell them, can I pay for my stuff? Because I'm not trying to leave out the door. I was looking for my cousin. My phone is clearly dead.
Okay.
She has my money up on her Apple Pay. So all of that is just, this is my favorite Target. Do you see, I don't steal. I have on a $3,000 purse. I don't steal. This is my favorite.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
$3,000 purse. I don't steal. This is my favorite Target. That's what I'm trying to explain to them. He just sat up here and listened to our whole story when y'all came in. It was just a whole completely different story.
I was just trying to make it a quick story.
That's not because you're not
was walking.
Like, I have money to pay for all of it.
I lost my mailbox key, so I'm
Nobody's trying to walk out and steal nothing.
But I have the app on my phone to pay for everything. You get what I'm saying? But I ended up walking off because I realized that my key wasn't on my thing. I've been looking for it, and I realized that it failed. So I was down there looking for my key. But I have to pay for the things because
Down where, by the carts?
Yeah, downstairs.
Okay.
Yeah, so her phone is there. I have everything on my phone to pay for it. I just asked them, but she was looking for me. She couldn't call me. She couldn't do anything. I walked out.
They acted like I walked towards the door. I didn't even walk towards the door.
So just so I'm just going to explain to you how the law works and what the problem. So anytime you walk past the last point of purchase, which is all upstairs, and come downstairs, you technically have committed a theft. Right.
She never walked downstairs.
No, they turned me around. She walked downstairs.
So
They turned me around basically saying, you can't pass this because that's basically still. I said, oh, I'm sorry. I was just looking for my cousin so she could pay for my stuff. It was not like I wasn't implying or anything. Like, I see if I was implying. Boosters, they run out of stores. Like, I'm not no booster. I don't steal. I don't have no reason to steal.
You're still on holiday?
No, and actually I just came from church.
We just came from church this morning.
Oh, it's okay, but my aunt always told me, like, my aunt always raised us to have our own bags. When we go shopping, you get what I'm saying? That's how we shop. So I don't know if they take it as otherwise or whatever the case may be.
I'm still trying to pay for my stuff. I don't.
When officers checked the surveillance footage, the story started to look a lot different. You can see her walking with her cousin, and it looks like they were getting ready to walk out with the merchandise. She looks around to make sure no one's watching, but what she didn't realize was that loss prevention had eyes on her the whole time, and were waiting for her at the exit. The second she got down the steps, she was stopped.
Oh yeah, you cook. That story don't add up. Oh man, cop is pissed.
Queen? Is it your government name?
No, it's Queen.
Queen? I think they were set up. Take it first off.
What's the problem?
You're under arrest for retail theft.
Why? And I didn't take nothing. I didn't leave out the door.
You went
Like,
past
I'm
the last point of
able to
purchase.
pay for my stuff. That's what I'm telling them. Like,
You went past the last point of purchase. Okay. Stand up.
But sir, I didn't leave out the door.
Hey, you better stand
I
up
was
before they
looking for
get you together. You better stand up before they have to get you together. I already knew she was getting locked up because of the way that the body cam footage is. Everybody, even though both of them is involved for real, but the fact that everybody else's face is blurred and not hers, that already gave it away. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Cousin.
You went past the last point
But
of
I
purchase.
didn't know that I didn't know that was gonna, like, you have to physically leave out the door.
So,
I didn't know that. No, I'm gonna call. Did you get my purse?
You want? Hold on.
Like, there's no way that I can talk to the manager because I literally didn't know. Like, I didn't know that I was going to get in trouble for looking for my cousin. Like, I wasn't trying to steal. I literally was
You
not
guys
trying
were
to steal.
together kind of right before you left. You know where she
We was together the whole time, but she walked off.
Like I said, I walked off because I was looking for me.
Because, okay, we're not going to argue about that.
I don't know.
So, it's no possible way that I can pay for these things. Like, because I didn't steal them. I wasn't trying to steal these things.
By law, you committed a theft. You did.
So, like, what is this process? Because, like, I never been in trouble
take
with
your
nothing.
station, you get processed, and then you're going to have a court date in a couple days.
So, I will be getting out today.
Yeah, right.
You're fine. Because you didn't take anything.
I'm not fine.
And I didn't take anything. That's what I'm saying. I didn't take anything, sir.
Do you have a car here?
Yes.
Okay. I'll give you the information about where the police station's at and you can pick her up.
We'll be back up here.
Could you give me my purse?
Purse is going to stay with you. This
Why?
is yours. Because it's your purse. It's going to stay with you.
So there's no way that she could just get my purse?
Well, it's your property, so it's
I
gonna
know,
stay
but
with
I
you.
want her to keep my property. I want her to keep my property and my phone.
It's going to stay with you.
I don't want to process my things.
Once you get out, you literally get your purse
I
right
know,
back.
but I don't want to process my things. I want to give my things to my cousin.
Like the situation going on. Can y'all just check and see if there's anything in there y'all want to do that?
She must have something in her
I
purse.
said, can y'all just like, because I understand that's the whole protocol.
No, I want you to take my phone
Wait,
and my
listen,
purse.
cousin, listen. Can you just check it, see if there's anything in there, and then just give it right back to me? That's it. Like,
It's nothing like that.
I know it's just for them. I understand it. I'm just telling them.
I was able to take my mama's purse before when she got talking about I knew where you was at. If I knew where you was at, then I would have knew where you was at. My whole phone is dead. I don't got nothing on my background. I don't get in trouble. And I'm getting a lawyer. I'm getting a lawyer for sure. Okay, and for you
No,
guys,
that's a waste of money because you caught on camera, baby.
Y'all told because you know you came in. So
Dan
everything
Frank
that came.
beating this case.
But,
But the lawyer, the best lawyer.
You said initially, because you said everything was fine to say the third.
For real.
All you needed was.
Want her to have her purse?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
And
So
get my phone.
everything.
Get my phone and my ticket.
The only thing we have is her ID.
Huh.
Alright.
Take it out and get this over with.
Can I get your name?
Yes, please get
I
his
need that
name.
information. Like on a piece of paper.
Please get his name.
You need all that cash in your purse.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. I have money to buy. I wasn't about to steal nothing.
The law says once you pass this register, pass the last point.
I don't know what the law said, but I wasn't stealing nothing. It's a billion people around me looking at me. Why would I steal? Like,
All that was serious.
a million people up in here looking at me. I seen every last security guard. I'm sorry, I seen every last security guard standing right here. Like, I literally walked right past them in front of their face. I see if they like, come here, and I'm not trying to apply. Like, I see y'all in my face. I'm telling y'all, my cousin is right there. I'm trying to get her so she can pay for my stuff. She didn't know I was she didn't know I was about to walk to the register or none of that. She in a whole nother different area from me. This is crazy. We just went to church this morning. All type of stuff. Like, this is just crazy. I would never come back over to this Target in this area.
Yeah, but come on, man. Whether you went to church or not, that ain't got nothing to do with nothing. Cause we all know, shit, motherfuckers be sinning like hell on motherfucking Friday, Saturday, and they in there on church holier than thou on Sunday, boy. Yeah, so we already know what time it is. You like that don't mean nothing. God ain't got nothing to do with this.
For real. Because y'all literally see me. I walk past y'all in y'all face. Like, I see about looking see me. I walk past y'all in y'all face. I knew y'all was standing right there. This is not no secret. I'm trying to get her. And I'm telling y'all I'm trying to get her. Did y'all see that on the camera?
What's that?
That I wasn't even all the way down the Escalade yet.
It's not once you got to the basics there.
Yeah, because I'm telling her, like, come on. I have to pay for this stuff.
So if you don't here to search. You just move back so I can put the seatbelt on it. Just want to go to the other side, grab the seatbelt. Oh, no, slide back, I'll grab it. Central 322, Mark.
The woman was charged with felony retail theft, taken into custody, and later released with a court date scheduled.
Yeah, that's a terrible lie. The lie she came up with was horrible. I ain't gonna lie to you. Y'all was walking together, and then you let her separate, go down first while you looking and then you went down. Like, come on, man. Horrible. Cops did a great job, man. I give them a 4 for show.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.